Hey, what's up? I'm going to show you how to play Star-Crossed Lovers on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. Alright, so for this song you're going to be in standard tuning with your capo on 1. And for simplicity's sake, I'm just going to call the frets what they typically are. So this is, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 3, open, 3, 6, 5, open 5, 8, 6, 8. So it should sound like. And that just repeats throughout the whole song. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you didn't quite pick it up the first time around, just replay the video. You'll get it.